Hey guys, what is up? It is Towering Dog again, and today we're doing another survival video. And before this video starts, I do want to say that I did record another video, but I forgot to actually hit the record button. So if things are a little different, that's why. But basically what happened is I found a ruined nether portal. I died twice to a skeleton, and I found a little bit more iron. And in the nether portal, I did find a gold chestplate, helmet, and well, two helmets actually, and then just a couple other stuff. I did end up finding more iron, which was nice because I'm trying to just get as much as I can. And I had AI um, pick a random thing that I could not use, and it ended up being a spider eye. So I no longer can have meat or a spider eye. So at the moment, I don't know what we're gonna do. I think I want to try and get uh, see if I can get a bucket, because then I can make obsidian. So, and then I can go to the nether, which gets me a lot closer to actually completing this challenge. So, I need 6 total because I need a water and a lava bucket. And then I need to go find lava, which I did see it at one point, but I don't remember where exactly I did see it. No, I would not like a minecart. I would like 2 buckets. And then if I can, I also want to make a pair of pants. I need, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't think I have enough iron for that. Yeah, I do also end up having an iron pick and an iron axe, which is very good. Also, thank you guys so much for the support. I've noticed that you guys are watching a lot of the shorts and stuff like that, which me and my friend are going to keep posting those. We both enjoy it, and we don't even actually intend to record. I just record basically any time I'm playing a game on my computer because I can use it for a video, and we just end up, we end up using it. Also, I did kill a decent amount of sheep randomly, but let's go try and find lava. First thing I want to do. Also, lots of food is very good because we're chilling now, kind of. I also have sugarcane, which actually, since I am going down to the water, I am just going to run and place it down here because I'll probably forget about it, but oh well. So let me just place this really quickly. And I know it can go on dirt and like stuff, but I'd rather just put it all along here and make it look a little better. Okay, there's the water bucket. Now I need to go and find lava. And I believe when I went that way there was lava. So that is what we're gonna do. First I just want to grab this little bit of wheat just for extra food, because I would really like the food. Okay. And then I am also just really quickly gonna clear out my inventory if I am going to the nether, because I don't really want to die. Chicken I don't really need, but oh well, because I can't really eat it. No, I don't need that at the moment. That can go. Iron can definitely go. Oh, sticks. That's not a stick. There's a stick. Arrows can just chill in there for now. Yeah, everything else looks fine. I mean, the iron pick and other thing isn't really that great, but it is what it is. Shoes are okay. Let us now. Oh, I still need to make that bread that I was gonna make. Look at me being a dum-dum. Okay, there's just a little bit extra food. So now off to our adventure of finding lava, if we can. Well, that was easy. I already see it. Like I said, I thought I already saw lava. That's a cliff. Yeah, I thought I should get a doggo. Hang on. Pause. I don't have that in my inventory. We are going to get those couple of bones that I have. without dying. Because I want a dog. So now we run back up here. Which, hopefully, we can find the dog again. Let me just... Yeah, there we go. Wolf, buddy, where did you go? Wolf, buddy. Wolf, wolf, wolf. Wolf, buddy. Where did he go? I'm sad now. Where did he go? Oh, I see him. I see him, I see him, I see him, I see him. Come here, buddy. Come here, come here, come here. I have a bone. Oh, that was the wrong one. Shit. I didn't want to do that, but I accidentally did the wrong one, which is not good. I really wanted a dog, but oh well. Now let's go and get this, not obsidian, lava. Ow. Yeah, see, I really need to stop taking damage. Because it just uses my food for no reason. I also probably don't need to be sprinting. But that's okay. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna chill here for a minute and not be dumb. And honestly, I think I don't have any stone, but dirt wasn't. Are we almost to the top? I kind of see it. Can I just... Wait, it turns it into... Oh, brother. You have to be kidding me. It turns it into... That's annoying. How am I supposed to... I guess I have to go mining for diamonds, apparently. Should I try water bucket clutch? Let's see, I remember how to place it. Right click. Okay. I'm going to try water bucket clutch, and, well, if this doesn't work out, I'm going to be very sad. Okay. Bruh. I literally placed it. I don't know. You guys saw that, right? Oh, well. I'm definitely not good at this game. I never told anyone I was. I just like playing it. At least like none of my stuff burned in lava. Or at least it hopefully shouldn't have. If it did, that would be even more sad. I see it, which is good. Or at least I should see most of it. Okay, I don't know if I have everything or not, but oh well. There's my other bucket. Oh, there we go. Apparently I just... Okay. So there's that one. This is a wall of lava. Huh. Well, I guess, I mean, we can go explore. See what there is. I do want the water bucket in my hand. I just am reorganizing this really quickly. We can explore. This is kind of the same direction I went for Did I get my... I did get my red. Same direction I went for iron. And I actually just saw a piece of iron, so let's go grab it. Hi, Mr. Chicken. Bye, Mr. Chicken. Yeah, I was at level 8, and then I was just at level 5, so it is very unfortunate. But there's iron, so we'll take it. Only one, though. Ooh, this would be kind of interesting to make a little house in here. Let me get some torches just to see. I do also want to grab this coal because it gets me levels, but then also I need it for smelting things when I eventually find more stuff to smelt. Ow. Oh, I see melons. That's actually a lifesaver. Hi, pillagers. I'm not doing anything. I'm just chilling. Just walking this way. Not trying to hurt you or myself. Just trying to get to the other side of this mountain. Don't really want to deal with them. They were by my house the other day too. Okay, now there's also a dog. There's also a dog. But I don't have the bones. Are you kidding me, brother? This game aggravates me so much. It's not even funny. But this is good because now I'll have some more food because I was running low on food. Let me just finish collecting these up. Oh, it's raining. Okay. Let's... Oh, and it's becoming night. Let's dig into the side of the hole right here. Just like that. At night or thunderstorms. Wait, is it not is it not turning night? No, I guess not. But, I also want to grab some sand, honestly. I don't want to use my pick, though. Because if I grab sand, then I can make glass and start upgrading my house. Which will be fantastic if I can do that. So, now that we are back, it's daytime again. I got lots of sand. I got a lot of sand, like 80, 92 or something. So I don't think I really need any more, but I do want to go on this side of the river or whatever you really want to call it, because I'm going to start collecting stuff for my house. And even though a lot of people don't like birch, I want to do birch accents. So I want to get at least some birch. Doesn't have to be like a lot, but I do want to do birch accents. There's another birch tree there. And then another one. Let me eat some melons really quickly so I can at least be healing. I don't know how much birch I want to get, but we will indeed see. Also, goodbye, chicken. Thank you. Ooh, it dropped an egg, too. Maybe I can start a chicken farm. Because if I can start a chicken farm and then just get eggs and or feathers, that would be, ooh, more eggs. I don't necessarily want to kill all of the I don't know how we're gonna get him across okay, now we have 2. Okay, so now we just need to get them across. I think they can float in water. Come on. This video is probably going to be a lot of just random things, to be honest. The end is in sight. I also found another chicken. I don't know where he came from, but he came from near my house. So now I got 3 chickens. Oh, one just popped out an egg. Yes. And honestly, I don't quite know how I'm gonna get them in. They can't jump over fences, I don't think. But also just to make sure that they actually do just stay, I think I want to make like a little thing really quickly, because they can't go more than 2 blocks out. Oh, chicken, I don't want to hurt you. Yeah, there you go. But how am I supposed to get out? That's the question. Chicken, move. Come on. Okay, there we go. Chickens are safe. I do just want to make this like bigger for them, because I don't want to just make it like broken. I just have to remember to get the bottom one first. And then, so I was trying to upgrade my house, but now I have a farm with meat that I can't even eat. Look at that. Also, I should think about going to bed, because I don't really want mobs attacking me. So that is what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna keep upgrading this farm. Okay, so I got the chicken pen done. I did a double gate because I don't really want them getting out. That would be just too much of a hassle. Now, I do want to decorate it a little bit, though. I want to put, like, a grass and some grass. And then I also have these leaf clusters that just kind of go around. And then maybe we plant, like, a... well, let me get the chickens out first, because they don't need to be stuck in there anymore. Let me get rid of this one, and then this, you. Okay, I need y'all to move, please. Welcome to your guys' new home. And I think gonna do something like that, and then do some water, because details are important to me. And I think I might just fill up my second bucket as well, so I don't have to worry too much about it. It's over here. Down. And then I can put water in the corner. And I don't mind that it flows, that's okay. I just want to, so they don't get too trapped. Yeah, they're still kind of getting trapped. It'll just be standing water. So let's just put both buckets right there. That'll be easier. Because then I also have infinite water if I need it for whatever reason. That's not where I wanted to put that. I wanted to shut the gate. And then I need water there. There we go. And then, did I put this happening in here? No, I did not. But I do want to take like one of these and put like a tree stump right there. And then let's see, I'll also put one jungle tree like over there. And then one right here. And then another one of these right there. So it kind of just looks better than just being plain. And I also do actually, before I end this video, I would like to breed. You're already bred, to breed with you. And then you. Can I not breed? Okay, so I can. So I have 2 baby chickens, and I have 7 and 2 eggs. Let's see if we can get any babies from these. No. Yes. Oh, sorry. We got an extra baby, which is good. So, chicken farm is coming along. Obviously, I can't eat them, but I at least have them. Melons look like they're coming together nicely. So I believe I can also leave those there, and they'll continue growing, which will be good. Perfect. Yeah, which means that these need to get broken so they can... Yeah, so I have 3 rows of melons. Perfect. And then let's just take a quick look up here. So now we have our chickens over in the corner over there. Our wheat farm here. Actually, while I am here, just to make this a little easier, why don't we do this? Because then I can just walk, not what I wanted to do. Because yeah, now I can just walk this way as well, down here, up and over here, check on the chickens, which is good, and then I can just come back over here. And I'm going to call that a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I believe this is the 5th one. So next video, you guys will get to select another item that I am no longer allowed to use as long as I can still complete Minecraft. You guys enjoy. Peace.